Like a tree. Yeah. Huge burdock. Continue on. Guys, it's Tim with Tim's Homestead. This is September 2nd, Thursday, and just wanted to show what else I'd done yesterday. But just now I was cutting the weeds alongside the house. The problem is they were all leaning almost down to the ground, and it's very difficult to cut with a scythe like that. If they were standing straight up, a whole lot easier. Anyways, looks quite a bit better. This, I think, is a taro plant. And all I done was, I forgot about it actually. I had the bulb that I bought. I just laid it down there and it grew. I just noticed it the other day. The weeds were so high here and couldn't really see anything. Here's what I done yesterday. I built these steps. Really nice steps here. I made a 4 foot by 4 foot frame, filled it up with gravel. Then I made a 4 foot by 30 some inch frame, filled it up with gravel. See, probably see it in there. And then I took the boards that come off from the top of this. Well, I made it all from the boards that I got. And you'll see in some of my videos I had built this up. It was leaning. I had a lid on it, like a frame with plastic on it that I could open and close as on hinges. Well, I decided to take all that down. And while I did, I thought, wow, that's the wood I need to build my steps, because these were rotted, very dangerous. I'd neglected it for 2 or 3 years. I shouldn't have, but I got to it yesterday and I got it done. Still got a lot of projects to do. I'm going to clean all this up. Then I'm going to tackle these raised beds over here, clean all that up. This is a weed. And one thing I can grow is weeds. That weed was huge. I gotta dig them out. Anyway, so I want to clean these beds up, prep them. Here's what I done last week. I made a video showing that I was going to do it, and I think I had one cleared out of weeds. That took me the rest of the day that day to do this. This is my blueberry plants, bushes, and I've got all the weeds cleared out of them. I got a lot of the weeds cleared out of this. These were my first year hazelnut. I started from seed, and these are hickory nut trees. I started from seed. This fall, when they go dormant, I don't know. I think I might not pot them up, but this is the second year hickory nut bushes, trees, whatever. I think I'll definitely pot these up this fall when they go dormant. So, beautiful day out. I tell you what, I got up this morning. It was chilly. I come out in my t-shirt and my shorts, and I could see my breath. It was so cool out. So I can just see winter getting here pretty quick. So I'm trying to get a lot done. So anyway, think about changing the name of the homestead. I mentioned this on another video, but I didn't get any comments about it. Thinking about naming it something like Tim's Food Forest and Gardens. Tell me what you think. Should I stick with Homestead, Tim's Homestead, or change it? If you got any ideas, let me know. Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and see you on the next one.